Hi, it's Chris, leatherhub.com. Yeah, I'm just here working in the office today. It's pretty snowy out there. Yeah, you have some leather in Baltimore? You need it cleaned? Today? Well, I can't get my car out, but I'll make it work. Alright? Yeah, you need me, I'll be there. Give me an hour or two. Alright, bye-bye.
Honey, you can't go out. Did you see all the snow out there?
Becky, my customer needs me. Now I'm going to go put my supplies in the sled, and then I'm heading to Baltimore.
Hold on, I need to get the eyebrows. Look at them, they're lovely. Ah.